Eric Trump is coming to his father's defense after Stormy Daniels took the stand on Tuesday, May 7, amid Donald Trump's criminal trial. After hearing the adult film star, 45, discuss her alleged sexual encounter with the ex-president, 77, Eric, who was the only one from Trump's family to be in court, went off on social media. Perspective sitting front row attempting to figure out how any of this garbage from 20 years ago relates to legal bills submitted by a longtime personal attorney being booked as a legal expense, but I digress. To be clear, they don't give a S about the merits of this case. The 15 Manhattan prosecutors are sitting at their table, and behind in the courthouse pews, giddy by this salacious show. This is the intent, not the merits, nor the fact that this entire case is a massive extortion play, Eric wrote on X, formerly known as Twitter, on May 7. Beforehand, Eric, 40, added, "No one believes that on the eve of an election, a former president of the United States and the current frontrunner is being tried for 34 felonies, based on a bookkeeping entry, booked by a person who never spoke with the president and sat in New York while he was in the Oval Office 240 miles away, Washington, D.C., for booking an legal invoice as a legal expense in a personal bank account general ledger nearly 8 years ago. This is a show trial with the sole intent to embarrass and prevent the frontrunner's ability to campaign." But people couldn't help but call out Eric for being wrong about his father, who allegedly paid off Stormy and Karen McDougal to keep quiet about their prior trysts with him before the 2016 election. One person wrote, "Your criminal defendant daddy cheated on your stepmother with a P, star and Playboy bunny. He used campaign funds to pay them hush money and filed false business records to cover up his crimes. That was election interference," while another said, "Try harder, Eric, your dad might see this and decide he really does love you." A third person added, "I believe it. I also believe he is going to be convicted." As OK previously reported, the blonde beauty gave some intimate details about her time with Donald. After meeting at a golf tournament, she was then asked if she wanted to get dinner with Donald, to which she said yes. Instead of going to a restaurant, she came over to his hotel, where they chatted about her career and if she had been tested for STDs. When Trump pulled out a magazine, Daniels was over it and just wanted to eat her meal. "I pretty much had enough of his arrogance and cutting me off and still not getting my dinner," Daniels said. "Someone should spank you with that," Daniels recalled saying to Trump about the magazine. "So I took it from him and I said turn around, and I swatted him on the butt," she testified. "And he was much more polite.